Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Windows 11 app crashing on launch. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to launch any of your app remain crashing. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So it might be that any of your system file has been corrupted. Because that you're facing this type error, in order to fix that issue, you just have to try to repair your corrupted system files. So how can you do that? You just have to right click on your the start button and just select terminal into admin. So you just have to select this one from here, then click yes. And now you might get this step interface. So you just have to enter a command here. So you just have to enter this command, which is sfc/scan now. So just enter this here. Here's the sfc, then a space, then slash, then scan now. So once I've entered, just press enter from your keyboard. So it will take some moments. You can see that when the system scan, this process will take some time. It will completely scan your system file. So if there will be any encrypted file, it can fix or repair. It can be fixed and repaired by itself. And once your file has been repaired, you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.